Let me show you how to find hair vendors on Alibaba.com. So let's say you want to start a hair business and you are looking for the direct wholesale hair vendors that you can import from and sell. This video is going to show you how to do it. And the first step is to come to this website called Alibaba.com. This is the most popular website for e-commerce. So if you want to do e-commerce, you have to know this website. So if you come to Alibaba.com, you want to come to the search bar here and you want to search for what you are looking for. So for instance, you can see the frequently searched stuffs here. We have air fryer, solar generator, human hair, and wigs, and Samsung Ultra. I think these are my searches. But if you come here, let's say you want to sell wigs or any kind of hair, maybe let's just say hair. I'm just going to come here and then you search for hair. All right. So we have different things like hair accessories, blah, blah, blah. But let's just search for hair. So you click on search. So if you have an image, you can upload your image and the website is going to scan your image and give you something related to that. So this is how you start finding your supplier. So on Alibaba, we have manufacturers and then we have suppliers. So manufacturers are basically people who manufacture this product, and suppliers are just people who supply this product. So the difference here is that manufacturers will require you to buy in a lot of volumes, or you get the best deal in a lot of volumes buying from manufacturers, or you get cheaper or lower quantity from suppliers. All right, so let's say we want to look for manufacturers. All right, you want to come right here at the top here, you want to just simply select verified manufacturer. So we are going to get a list of the verified manufacturers on Alibaba.com that actually do sell hair or manufacture hair. All right, so I'm going to give you some time to come up and we should have our list of verified suppliers who specialize on basically just hair. So as you can see, we start finding suppliers. These guys, Beijing Arts Development Corporation. We have these guys. I don't know how to pronounce these names, but you start seeing these hair manufacturers. So these guys are manufacturers, and then you can basically just reach out to them if you wanted to reach out to them. So I'm just going to show you one way to do this, which is, let's say you want this product, you can see how much it costs. This product is being sold by these guys here. All right, and as you can see, these guys, they are verified custom manufacturers, and they've been doing this for 7 years plus on Alibaba. As you can see, they have 4.9 star review, and they have over 286 reviews from people who bought from them. All right, so you can basically just click on the entire store profile. You have a supplier or a manufacturer already. So if you wanted to transact with these guys, this is their own product page or their store page on Alibaba.com. So you can see their manufacturing plants or their office, as you can see, is verified. They have registered trademark, and you can see their main product. You can see what they sell. So you want to know, or you want to verify that these products are good products. You can see some of the products here. This product, they have videos that you can look at. So if you come to the reviews here, we want to see what people have said about this supplier and their product, because this is going to be very important if you are going to do hair business. So here it says the first one is from South Africa, and this was on the 11th of April 2025. I'm recording this video on the 14th of April 2025. So you can see it says the hair is absolutely gorgeous, good product, I recommend. This is also April. So you want to see all the reviews, you want to go through the reviews. If they have negative reviews, you want to look at the negative reviews to see what other people are saying about their product. So far they don't have any negative review. The entire review is around a 5-star and 4-star, which is a plus for this hair supplier. So as you can see, this review, this one is from America, this one is from Botswana and all of that. So you want to go through, they have a lot of reviews. This is from Canada, United States. It just gives you that air of trust that these guys, they really know what they are doing. So you want to come to their product and you can see all the products that they have. So let's say we want to look at these glueless wigs for minimalists. So you can click on it, and this is already a big industry for you, or a big niche for you. So it says glueless wig for minimalists. All right, so you can see different wig that they have right here. So you can go through any of them if you wanted. So let's say we wanted this one, you can open it and you can go through the products page and all of that. You want to see what the product is about. So they are provided with videos and everything, and the pricing. So you can click and you can see the various pictures of these products. All right, you can download them if you wanted and all of that. So you can see the type is a human hair. This is the weights. So these are the images. All right, so these are the images. My system is sort of slow, or my internet, but you can go through and see all what they have right here. And this is one way you can find hair manufacturers or hair vendors on Alibaba.com.